Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a polynomial inequality. The inequality is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 less than 0. This is a quadratic inequality because this expression is a quadratic expression. The first step is to factor this expression. This is a complex trinomial, so we should use complex trinomial factoring method. I will use decomposition method to factor this expression. We have to find two numbers whose sum is the coefficient of the x term, -5, and product equals 2 times -3, which is equal to -6. So we have to find two numbers whose sum is -5 and product is -6. In order to find the two numbers, we should focus on the product number -6. We should think of two numbers that multiply to -6. The first pair that comes to my mind is -1 and 6. -1 plus 6 is equal to +5. But we are looking for a sum of -5, so the numbers should be +1 and -6. Because 1 plus -6 is equal to -5 and 1 times -6 is equal to -6. Now we can use these two numbers to break up the middle term -5x. Next, we should use grouping method to factor this expression. We should pair up the first two terms and the last two terms. We should do common factoring for each pair. From the first pair, 2x squared plus 1x, we can factor out an x. From the second pair, -6x minus 3, we should factor out -3. Next, we should factor out 2x plus 1 from both terms. In the second parentheses, we are left with x minus 3. This is the factored form of the given quadratic expression. Next, we should find the x-intercepts for this quadratic expression. We should set both factors equal to 0 and solve for x. I get x equals -1 over 2. This is an x-intercept of the given quadratic expression. Now we can analyze this second factor. The other x-intercept is 3. So this quadratic expression has two x-intercepts. Now we can use the number line method to solve the inequality. We should plot these two x-intercepts. These two x-intercepts divide the number line into three parts. We have to find in which of these three parts is the given inequality true. We have to use a test value in each part. For the part on the left side of -1 over 2, we can use the test value -1. Between -1 over 2 and 3, we can use the test value 0. To the right side of 3, we can use the test value 4. We have to sub in these test values one by one in the given inequality. and see which of these test values satisfy the given inequality. Let's start with -1. We sub in x as -1 in the given inequality. I get 4. The given inequality is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 less than 0, but we got a value greater than 0. That means the given inequality is not satisfied in the interval on the left side of -1/2. At x equals -1/2, the value of the quadratic expression is 0 because x equals -1/2 is an x-intercept for the quadratic expression. Therefore, x equals -1/2 should not be part of the solution because in the given inequality, the quadratic expression should be less than 0, not less than or equal to 0. This is a very important concept we need to understand to solve this type of problem. Next, we can use the test value 0. We should sub in x as 0 in the given inequality. I get -3. -3 is less than 0. Therefore, the inequality is satisfied in the interval between -1/2 and 3. X equals 3 should not be part of the solution because at x equals 3, the quadratic expression becomes equal to 0, and as per the given inequality, the solution should be x values for which the quadratic expression is less than 0. So x equals 3 is not part of the solution. Next, we can use the test value 4. We should sub in x as 4. I get 9, which is greater than 0. Therefore, the inequality is not satisfied in the interval on the right side of 3. Therefore, the solution for the given inequality in inequality notation can be written as we can write this solution in interval notation as we do not include -1/2 and 3 in the solution for this inequality. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.